The Meyiwa Murder Trial, which it does continue today. The state's third witness will take the stand, and while the identity is not yet known, it's understood that the witness was present in the house on the night of the murder. The late Orlando Pirates and Bafana captain was shot dead at the height of his career back in 2014. 5 men are currently on trial for the murder, and eNCA reported that Slindelo Masikane is following this trial for us and joins us now to give us an update. Slindelo, good morning to you, colleague. I understand a postponement on Monday. Tell us more about this.
Another postponement yesterday, Dumelo, where we were expecting the state's third witness to take the stand. We saw the state prosecutor, George Baloyi, telling the court that they were having some challenges in terms of securing flights for this particular witness. We know that the state is now wanting to introduce evidence in terms of what transpired that evening. They've indicated that the third witness would be someone who was in the house and would be able to tell us exactly what they saw. Let's just take a listen to State Prosecutor George Baloyi in terms of the reasons as to why the state requested a postponement.
Unfortunately, the case cannot proceed today, not for two reasons. Firstly, we're informed that the regular interpreter is unwell. We do have a standing interpreter. However, because of the other problem that I'm about to mention, my lord, that we have informed my colleagues of the situation, and we are requesting that the matter should stand down until tomorrow for the continuation of the proceedings. And my lord, the main reason is that we are now moving to the segment of the evidence of what transpired in the house. And the witness who was due to testify today, my lord, can only be here this afternoon. The state could not secure a flight for him over the weekend as they were oversubscribed, and the flight that we could arrange, my lord, is only this afternoon. We did arrange for a replacement witness, my lord, and I was informed only this morning, my lord, that that witness has asked that we should reschedule his evidence.
Well, it seems the defense is not too happy about it.
Not impressed at all, and in fact accusing the state of using delaying tactics, saying that the investigating officer as well as the state prosecutor are supposed to ensure that even if a witness is unavailable, there should be one to replace them, saying that essentially this amounts to wasting the court's time. Let's take a listen to Titi Tobane for accused 1 to 4, as well as Advocate Zandile Mshololo for accused 5.
We still contend that the state is the driver of the proceedings. At all times, it will remain the fault of the state in certain instances if this matter doesn't proceed today. For instance, Your Lordship, the state should have known before today that if this witness is not available, they will have to get another witness. The witness cannot, Your Lordship, if the state informed them on time and then change that they must be changed to a particular day or schedule.
Yes, we agree. The state is the dominus litis, my lord. However, it is unacceptable, my lord, that the court can adjourn and not proceed because of the witness coming from Durban. It is the duty of the investigating officer, my lord, to bring the witness to court, as well as all other witnesses. If there is a problem, my lord, with this one witness who is from Durban, there is a list of witnesses who are still supposed to come and testify, and they are all from Johannesburg. The state has indicated, my lord, that is moving to the area of evidence for the witnesses who were inside in the house. And all those people, they are here in Johannesburg today as we speak. That's Makumalo, that's Kelly Kumalo, that's Zandi Kumalo, that's Longwe Twala. They are all available who were inside in the house. But now we're told that the one who is from Durban is not available and the case is adjourned. My lord, that's my submission, that that kind of approach is a delaying tactics, my lord. We should use the court time in using the other witnesses who are available. And the subpoenas, my lord, I want to believe they were issued warning the witnesses for the duration of this trial. All of them, they have to be lined up outside in court. That is the duty of the investigating officer and the prosecutor who is dealing with this matter. And they are failing to do that, my lord, at the expense of the delaying in this case. Therefore, I pose the application for the postponement, my lord.
Firstly, I understand that, of course, the Meyiwa's family was also in court. What did they have to say about this?
Visibly disappointed and frustrated with that delay. Of course, they've flown up from Durban to be able to attend these particular proceedings because they are most interested to hear from those who were in the house. Let's take a listen to Senzo's sister, Nomalanga.
Akusiphathi kahle ukulokhu kuhlehliswa just because of uma sizela nathi suke ukuthi kunezinto esiziyekile just because of suke sizothola ukwazi ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani, and we thought ukuthi uma kubizwa ofakazi sizothola ukuthi kahle kahle exactly kwenzakalani on that day and who is responsible for ukufa kaSenzo.
All right, so we'll leave it there, and I appreciate this update coming from eNCA reporter Slindelo Masikane, and we'll continue, of course, to give us other developments as they do occur.